Hey guys, it's Jeff, and it's Weird Angle Wednesday. And actually, it's not. I'm just in a precarious position to show you, not my face, but my hands today, working on something that may save you a lot of time in your old house, if you have an old house. So I will talk while my hands are working, and just hold on a couple minutes, and I'll give you some juicy ideas on how to save some time and make your house look good, okay? Anyway, what you see here, these are some things I've already cleaned. This is a striker in my house, and don't tell anyone, but I'm in my kitchen doing this work because there is absolutely no dust and no dirtiness that goes on with this. But what I do, I found out after too many years of trying to clean these type of things, that what it is, it's old hardware, and this happens to be off my front porch, and shame on me that it looks so bad, but tons of old paint still on it. And what I found was, instead of scraping, instead of sandblasting, I could put all this stuff in a very, very hot thing of water, let it boil for about 15 or 20 minutes, and the oil paint and everything just flakes right off. Watch this. It's crazy. See how it just folds right off? No dust. You don't have to worry about making a crazy mess. You can get it down to whatever the substrate is, whether it's this, like this, it's pot metal, and paint it, prime it and paint it, and go back to use it wherever you wanted to. Or you can get down, if you do have brass will do it too, and you get down to a brass that you can either polish, or you leave it just a dull brass finish, and it might look like the rest of your house, who knows. But anyway, I just wanted to put this out there, that it was it was like a watershed moment for me, because I didn't have to, dirty up my garage with dust or the job site wherever I was at, and I could get a product in the end that looked like, well, actually, it looked as good as the newly painted door, because usually you paint your door, but your hardware, you're resistant to take off because it's going to take so much doing to get it, back to where it should be. But that's my end product. I've got one more piece to do here that is brass. Like it's a cheap type of Chinese brass, but it's been on there for so long. That'll be another way you can see how it just folds right off. You get down to the original metal, and then, like I said, reuse it, redo it. But maybe this will help. Maybe it'll help make your weekend shorter if that's some job you have to do, or heck, maybe it's just something you wanted to put in the file for your next house you do. Anyway, have a great weekend, and enjoy whatever work pops up, okay? Take care.